Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. In this video, we will be learning how to remove continue watching in Plex. If you are in Plex and want to clean up your continue watching list, then here is how you can easily do it. First of all, launch the Plex application on your device and make sure you are logged in. From the home page of Plex, you need to find the continue watching list, which should be available at the very top. Go ahead and select the content you want to remove from the continue watching list under continue watching, and you'll then be able to see its info section. From here, to delete from the continue watching list, go ahead and click on marked as watched, and then once you get back and refresh your screen, you'll be able to delete the content from your continue watching list. The item should disappear from the section immediately. So that's how you easily remove items from continue watching list on Plex. This will help you keep your home screen neat and organized. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.